Good morning, students. Welcome to Narana Life classes. So today we're going to discuss the assignment given to you all dated on 23rd June. The topic for the assignment is water, a precious resource. So the first question is, if we dig a hole in the ground near a water body, we may find that the soil is dashed. So the soil will be moist in nature as the ground is nearer to a water body. So the answer for this question will be moist. The soil is moist. Okay, let us talk about second question. If we dig a hole in the ground, the moisture in the soil indicates the presence of dash underground. So it will indicate water underground. So the answer will be water. Let us talk about third question. Okay, so the third question is, if we dig deeper and deeper, we would reach a level where all the space between the particles of soil and gaps between the rocks are filled with water. So it will be filled with water as we dig deeper and deeper. Okay, now the fourth question, the upper level where all the space between particles of soil and gaps between rocks are filled with water and it is called as water table. So it will be known as water table. The fifth question, the dash varies from place to place and it may even change at a given place. So answer is again water table. Water table varies from place to place and it may even change at a given place. The sixth question, at places the groundwater is stored between layers of hard rock below the water table. This is known as aquifer. It is known as aquifer or aquifer. The seventh question, the water below the water table is called groundwater. The water below the water table is known as groundwater. Okay. Eighth question, what is the source of groundwater? So, the source can be the rainwater. The rainwater can be the source of groundwater and water water from different sources. Different sources like rivers and ponds. So, this can be the source of groundwater. Let us talk about the ninth question. The process of seeping of water into the ground is called as infiltration. The answer is infiltration. Okay. The 10th question. The water gets recharged by dash process. So again the answer is same. The water, that is underground water, gets recharged by the process of infiltration. Okay. The 11th question. So today we have one more extra question. Water in aquifers can be usually pumped out with the help of tube wells. So the answer for this question will be tube wells or hand pumps. So thank you students. Have a great day ahead.